Hello student, welcome to NBGI group and class 8 subject physics mission understand the law. Understanding the law. So firstly we have seen that key you have seen the many are amendment या changes in the constitution time to time कि when the India independence got the independence and our constitution are right but the time are changes so we have seen the changes our law according to time. So several are amendment our constitution or law also. So we have seen the Hindu section amendment act 2005. We have seen the violence against the women at the home by the men. So the women are protest against the violence. The story give you books also to show the women against the violence by the man at the home. So the amendment Act 2005, the son, daughters and the mothers are equal share to the families, and we have also we have seen the different amendment like equal like population control and provide the employment, and the many other amendment time to time goes on continuously. So the parliament are very important function to make the law for the country. You have seen the time to time different caste and religions communities are wise to make the law according his facilities. So the very critical situation create to parliament how to solve the problems solve the problems of the communities according to law, and what are make the law to agree for all the persons. So the government, our constitution, assemblies, representatives are make the law, executive are make the law for the every section of the society. We have seen the different caste and communities are wise. We have seen the radio, television, net, and the other we have seen the violence. So the role of the citizens are crucial to helping the frame of constitution, law of constitution. कैसा होना चाहिए? Crucial role for the peoples, because he was wise what is the problem and what he get to do. Show the representative seen the problems and the make law for the subject also. So we have seen the different amendment into the constitution, and the constitution are strong, make the strong, because the rule are changes according to time. We have seen the ancient times people living and standard are different, but at modern time we have the living standard and the facilities are different. So the new requirement and the new law also. So the our constitution also changes our rules according to facilities, according to demand of peoples, according to demand of peoples. Thank you.